Hey guys, just Justin here from Lauxes Grates. Going to show you how to cut a 45-degree corner piece this morning in Slimline Tile Insert. Alright, here we go. Just grab your base piece first, throw some safety gear on. Now what we'll do is we'll just set the saw on a 45-degree angle. Now we should be able to cut that straight through. Hold it firmly. Now we'll grab the top and we'll repeat the same process. That's one side done. Now we'll do the other side. Grab the base again, but this time we're going to flip it upside down. That'll get the other angle for us. Once again, hold firmly. Same with the top piece, flip it upside down and cut straight through. That's our 45's done. That'll create a 90-degree corner. Now what we need to do is just by using a straight edge, just put it on the angled cut that we've just cut. Slide the top piece up to it, and if we marked it even at this end so we know where to cut it off. Or what we do is you measure your desired length with the tape. Repeat that for both sides. This one, the bottom's slightly longer, so we'll just trim that off. We'll reset the saw on 0 degrees. Okay, that's finished. Okay, I'll just grab the corner pieces now. Just these pieces here, you'll find them at Lauxes as well. Slide them straight in here. And now you've got a 90-degree corner.